Here we presents the top 5 best ceiling fan. Starting of our listed number 5. Hunter Indoor Ceiling Fan. Next up is one of the more popular Hunter ceiling fans on the market today. Current owners are thrilled with their Hunter 53237, and this is one of the best rated and most budget-friendly ceiling fans you can get your hands on. The Hunter company is famous for its superior quality ceiling fans, and this unit is no exception. It features 52-inch blades that provide an impressive cold airflow, and you can choose between 3 beautiful colors and light fixtures to ensure that this fan will fit perfectly in any room into your house. As with any modern ceiling fan, you are likely looking for a silent unit. Who likes a noisy ceiling fan that will disturb you during daily activities, or when you have friends and family over? The Hunter Builder Plus incorporates the company's Whisper Wind technology, which results in a silent motor. You'll be able to set 3 different speeds ranging from low to high, and you can also set the motor to run in reverse. All these settings can be controlled using a Hunter remote control or via the pull-down chain. The painless setup process is a primary quality of all Hunter ceiling fans. This fan features a hassle-free 3-step mounting process. For more information and price, check out the product links and description underneath the video. Coming in at number 4 of our list. Savoy House 26 9536 FD. This brilliant small fan from Savoy House really moves the air. It operates on 37 watts at maximum speed and provides 64 cubic feet per minute per watt of airflow efficiency at high speed. Moreover, you will enjoy 2,374 cubic feet of airflow per minute at maximum speed. As you can see from the pictures, this fan is very aesthetically attractive. Current owners love the design and agree that this fan features a unique lighting fixture and an eye-catching style. Here we have a great ceiling fan that moves the air efficiently and will add a charming retro feel to any room. An important thing to note is that the power of the light is not as strong as you would expect. This, unfortunately, won't light up a big room with the given light bulbs. However, it does provide a pleasant, cozy ambience, and users are thrilled with the dimming function. Halfway of our listed number 3. 56 inches Casa Esperanza Vintage. Here we have the 56-inch Casa Esperanza from Casa Vieja, which brings together a modern-day artistic and stylish design and an efficient motor. It provides an extraordinary level of airflow circulation with top-rated energy efficiency. With the Casa Esperanza ceiling fan, you will reduce your electricity bill significantly because of the quality design of the blade system, and the quiet motor will both work smoothly to keep the air circulating efficiently and maintain room temperature. The package includes 5 bronze and gold quality constructed blades. The height of the fan is 15.75 inches and 22.05 inches from ceiling to the bottom of the light kit. The downrate is 4.5 inches long, and the canopy measures 2.4 inches high and 6.3 inches wide. If you take into account the benefits, quality, functionality, and price tag of this ceiling fan, it is clear that this item is a fantastic solution for your home. Current owners are thrilled with their purchase, and the Casa Vieja production team has done a great job in providing a top-rated ceiling fan that fits perfectly in most rooms. Number 2 of this list. Minka Aire F844DK. Our next item is the F844DK distressed from Minka Aire team. Here we have a high-quality ceiling fan that will cool down a large room in any home. It has a beautiful wooden design and includes an efficient motor that comes with a lifetime warranty. The motor is very powerful and can reach speeds of up to 6,580 cubic feet of air per minute. In order to maximize air efficiency, you will receive an integrated LED light fixture that you can dim. You will be able to reverse the direction of the blades, but bear in mind that there is no reverse mode option on this fan. Moreover, you'll need to invest in a downrod before you mount the fan to your ceiling because it is not included in the package. All in all, this unit is a quality ceiling fan, composed of hard-pressed koa wood. It is a beautiful design that will fit perfectly as a gorgeous decoration in any room. And coming in at number 1 of our list. Big Ass Fans L3127. The first item on the list is the excellent L series from Haiku Home. This ceiling fan is beautifully designed, with a stylish look and extremely quiet operation. You have the option of a black or white unit. This fan will provide you with everything that a ceiling fan should, with some extra bells and whistles thrown in. It comes with a primary wall control that enables you to turn the lights and the fan on and off. However, if you want more luxury, you can invest in the SenseMe wall control at an additional cost. The SenseMe technology is a handy add-on for operating the fan or lights automatically when you enter or leave the room. Moreover, it responds to humidity and temperature changes and will automatically adjust to your comfort level, all while saving energy. Then again, if you settle for the included basic wall control, you will still be able to control the speed of the fan and the brightness. For more information and price, check out the product links and description underneath the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, share this video and hit the like button.